Hello, my YouTube friend. It's Pop Comics, and today we're going to go through 2 boxes full of comic books that I bought from my friend Sean. All right, let's dig into them. Okay, first stack of comics. Okay, let's see. We got some cool Bronze Age Wonder Woman. That is really awesome. Ooh, a fun Ronald McDonald Charlton comic book. That is very neat. Richard Corbin solo. A Harley Quinn bookmark. I might give that to the cool kid. He's been reading a lot of manga, so he wants more bookmarks. Peter Parker Spectacular Spider-Man #1. Batman Annual #2. So I don't know what's in here. I don't know if there's key issues or just kind of like, okay stuff. Osborn #1. I think he kind of divided up with one stack was like really good stuff, and then the rest is just kind of filler. He traded for a Mandalorian helmet, a Funko Pop, the Miles Morales from the movie, really cool Funko Pop. And he traded for one other thing. Oh, he traded for a Totoro backpack for his daughter. So I thought that was cool. Thor #4, beautiful cover. DC Comics Bombshells #1. Ooh, a Scotty Young Alien #1. That's a cool cover. I love that one. Ooh, that's a cool looking cover too. Alien #1 variant. Okay, let me get another stack. So I think it's going to be fun going through everything today because it's all a surprise to me. It's going to be just kind of random. Oh, let me move back just a little bit. All right, we have another Bronze Wonder Woman. That is cool. I need to work on that run. More Wonder Woman. Love those. Captain America 173. That is neat. It's got the X-Men. Thor 350 with Beta Ray Bill. That is cool. Venom 27. Noctura #1. He said this one is starting to go up a bit. Batman Beyond #20. That's a cool comic book. Batman Beyond #19. #15. I think he pulled a lot of these out of dollar bins. So this is actually a pretty awesome find. These Batman Beyond comic books. These all have a bit of value, so that's awesome. Spawn 276. She-Hulk #11. I need to fill in this run. I think these are going to rise once the TV show comes out. A Girl Walks Home Alone at Night. That looks like a fun horror comic book. Damn Cursed Children #2. That's a cool cover. Future State with Red X. Ooh, giant size Spider-Man and Punisher. That is neat. Very cool Bronze Age comic book. Okay, let me move these out of the way and get some more. All right, we have another stack here. Okay, Tales of Teen Titans #2 with the Raven. Love those. Gideon Falls #27. The We Live free comic book. I missed all the free comic book day comics this year, so happy to see that. I just was so busy that day I wasn't able to get out. Raven Special, that's a neat looking comic book. Truth and Justice #6. Fantastic 3 bagged, I forget what that is. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Best of Raphael #1. Amazing Spider-Man 273 with the Beyonder, that's cool. Star Wars High Republic #7. You guys can let me know if any of these have high value. I think I'm looking them all up, but just in case I miss something, you could just tell me, and I'll just make sure he gets paid for it. Jungle Girl Season 3. Frank Cho cover, that is nice. Pretty Deadly #1. Is that the first print or the second print? I think that's our first print. That one might be getting a little bit of value now. Dr. Midnight. Graphic novel. Avengers Cinematic Guidebook. That's a cool cover. Weapon X. Peter Parker #116. In my shop, I'm going to try to make a lot more room for comics, so I'm going to start trying to get more comic books out for sale, because I buy so many, and they're starting to pile up a little bit too much. Black Widow #2. That being said, if I don't have it, I am keeping it. So don't ask me for any of these for sale, because it'll probably be a while before I sort them out. Dark Comics Presents #2. Marvel Zombies Returns #5. What If this was the Fantastic Four? That's a fun makeup of Fantastic Four. Hulk 256. Marvel Storm action figure variant. Ventures into Fear #11. I think this is a semi-key. It does have a big chew mark out of it. That's why he sold it. He said it was just a little too beat up for himself. Some kind of Abbott and Costello thingy. Not sure what that is. Cloak and Dagger #5. Peter Parker #55. Very cool cover. Looks in decent condition. Okay, that was a fun little stack. Let's go through the next stack. Okay, well, yeah, we have Sonic the Hedgehog #2 and #1. Those are neat. I'm going to put those together so it's easier to sort later. Let's see, 490 point. This one's beat up. I wonder if it has the code inside. All right. I don't know if the code inside's been used because I can actually see the numbers. So I'm going to double check. If it hasn't been used, that's awesome. I'll actually use that. Danger Girl #1. J. Scott Campbell artwork. Comic Shop News. He always gives me those. The Flash DC Comics presents #1. Ultimate Comics Spider-Man #27. Captain America 600 variant. Saga #2. That one has a bit of value. Love Saga. Spider-Man #1. Collector Core variant. I think these are very abundant, so it's not really worth anything. Kick-Ass #1. Avengers #1. Harley Quinn Breaks Glass Special Edition. I love the artwork in these things. I guess this is a free comic book day version because I think this is a trade paperback. Sonic Mega Drive #1. That is cool. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 111. I love getting stuff like that because I don't get it that often. Predator, The Blood Sands of Time #1. Suicide King, King Shark, free comic book day. Power Pack 21. Dr. Horrible, One Shot. Injustice #13. Or, no, not Injustice, Injection. Injection #13 again, so 2 variants of that. Some more freebie stuff. Oh, he grabbed this because he knows I love Y the Last Man. I am so stoked for that show. Cannot wait. That's one of my all-time favorite comics. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 116. X-Men Regenesis #1, second print. Okay, let's get another stack. All right, we have Iron Man 89. Invincible Iron Man #7. Gorilla Groundhog #1. That's fun looking. Love stuff like that. Have no idea what that is. I am going to have to look that up. Gonna open it up, see what it is. Actually, I'll look right now so you guys can know. Oh, it's Spider-Woman #1, the Chip Kid cover design variant. Okay, that is really neat. That is cool. Going into the collection. Okay, very cool. Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite. I think that's a freebie comic book. Secret Warriors #1. X-Men Grand Design #1. Ed Piskor art. Love that. Justice League #46, but the Looney Tunes version. Love that. Oh, Steven Universe #1. That has some value. I love collecting these. I kind of hold on to everyone I get because I think they have long-term value. Teen Titans, the Judas Contract. Blackest Night, a couple trade paperbacks. Simpsons Futurama Crossover Crisis 2 #1. That is awesome. Love that. Not in the best shape, but still cool. Champions #1. Cloak and Dagger #6. Ice Cream Man issue #20 with the Dr. Seuss homage. That is really cool. Captain America the movie special. Hulk 295. World's Finest trade paperback. That was #3 and then #2. Keep those together. Silver Surfer Requiem. And Off-World #4. That's cool looking. Wonder if the interior has good art too. Yeah, the interior has a lot of fun art. Okay, I love that one. There's a cool cover, but the interior is also cool. Okay, let me reset again. All right, let's see what we got. We got Huck #1. Mega Man #1. It's a sketch variant. Casper and Hot Stuff #1. That's cool. Love Casper. Red Thorn #1. Event Leviathan #1. Sharky #2. Scotty Young cover. Domino #1. That's a great cover. Star Wars #1. Deadpool. I can't see the number, but it's a Scotty Young variant. That is very awesome. Hulk 249. Daredevil 354. Wolverine #90. Always kind of like that cover. Amazing Spider-Man 796. Great cover. Spectacular Spider-Man #200. Oh, he got me more of these. I am so stoked for that. Okay, we have Spider-Gwen #2. Midtown variant cover. Very cool cover. And Archie Super Friends. Not sure the number, but I love that cover. Very awesome. #2. I actually might need to put that set together because I really like that. Okay, on to the next stack. Okay, we have the Batman Family #6. Is that the first appearance of Joker's daughter? I forget. I think that's a semi-key. I gotta double check that. Vision of the Scarlet Witch #4. Amazing Spider-Man 274. Liberty Annual 2021, I think. Justice League #64. Batman Beyond #6 and #7. #8. So you got a bunch of those. I think he found these all in a dollar bin. Again, a really good score on these because these all have a bit of value. Number 21. Those are cool. Oh, Monstrous number 1. He found this in a dollar bin, but it's a bit beat. So it's like a mid-grade, maybe like a fine minus. Still very cool. Betty and Veronica Spectacular number 14. Thor God of Thunder number 1. That one has some value. Captain America, some like freebie version. Mr. Miracle number 17. That is awesome. She-Hulk number 10. All right, that is very awesome. Sonic Universe number 1. Harley Quinn number 0. I think that has a little value. A lot of these have value, actually. And Harley Quinn number 16. Okay, some good stuff there. All right, one more stack in this box. Then we'll go to the other box. The other box might have the better stuff. I don't remember. And I didn't even look at all these. He kind of said there's one better stack. All right, She-Hulk 21. That's amazing. Noctura number 2. Really good cover. I like that. Ooh, Wonder Woman 209. It's got a little teeny tear there, but that's an awesome cover. Love that. She-Hulk number 20. Actually, really happy to get that. She-Hulk 22. That is cool. What is this? This is, Why the Last Man poster. I'm not sure how well you can see the poster, but yeah, he got me the free poster. That is cool. Awesome. Thank you, Sean. X-Men 108. I love old school Bronze Age X-Men. That's amazing. Lost in Space. Not sure the number, but that's a fantastic painted cover. Black Hole. Love that too. Black Cat Annual number 1. The Vision number 8 variant edition. That is cool. G.I. Joe number 3. I'm always looking for G.I. Joe. G.I. Joe sells well in my shop, so I buy whatever I find if it's a good price. Mega Man Worlds Unite number 1. And Archie's Vacation Special number 1. All right, that was a very fun box. Let's go on to box number 2. All right, first thing I'm going to show you from box 2 was Ziggy Pig number 1. It was a graded copy. It's graded 3.0. I love the old school cartoon Golden Age comic books, so this is really fun. Well, kind of like I'm not going on my way to get graded comic books, but I'm slowly adding a few to my collection. What I like about having them is I can learn more of what grade is what. So now I can kind of observe this and kind of get idea of what a 3.0 is. You know, there's like a little bit of a tear there. There's creases here, a little bit of tape. A little bit of water staining right here. You know, there's tape on the spine. So this gives me a better idea of what qualifies for a 3. It's a little bit lower quality than I would like, but also lets me know that maybe there's some stuff that I thought was a little bit lower graded that was actually a 3. You know, because of all the little problems it has. Very cool, though. Happy to add that. I think he said he paid like $40 for it about a year ago. And I told him I would just give him back the $40 he spent. And, you know, just for one of the things he traded for. All right, very cool. We have a little handful of things here. This was just a manga he had bought for his daughter. So I told him I'd trade for that. And he also bought her a couple of CDs, but she said she didn't want them. So I'll add them to my collection. I kind of like cutesy anime CDs. I don't really listen to them. I just like the artwork. And then this is a fun J. Scott Campbell sketchbook. I'll move that down a little bit. So this is just, you know, page after page of what just looks like sketches that he did. Just pencil sketches. I just think it's really neat because it looks like an actual like sketchbook, not just a book. You know, it's a rough. Maybe it would be cool if there's some finished artwork, but just seeing the pencils, it's kind of neat. I like that. So it's fun trading for that kind of stuff. So that was neat. Okay, some more comic books. Another stack right here. Another Why the Last Man sticker. He got me a bunch. I guess he just kept picking them up when he saw them. He knows how much I love that. X-Men 191. That is cool. Amazing Spider-Man 376. Marvel 2-in-1 number 69. Black Panther number 31. Number 9. Renato Jones Freelancer number 1. Inhumans vs. X-Men number 1. Transformers Valentine's Day Special. Amazing Spider-Man 195. Tomorrow. Not sure what that is. Kind of fun artwork, though. I'll have to check that out. Spider-Man Blue, Book 1. Daredevil 238. The Hulk 276. Tooth and Claw. Not sure the number, but that looks cool. Emerald City of Oz, number 1. Scotty Young cover. Strange Sports, number 1. That is really cool. I like the Bronze Age stuff. Okay. Actually, let me move these out of the way. We have X-Men Prime number 1, Stan Lee box exclusive. Cable number 12. Hulk 214. Cable number 18. What is this? A picture of someone? Or a book? I don't even know what this is. It's some woman in front of... okay, some kind of comic book swimsuit edition thing. And she's in front of a bunch of comic books. That's kind of neat. I like that. Captain America 322. Secret Wars number 1. Hulk 256. Marvel Zombies Return number 4. Avengers 188. Iron Man number 1. Oh, okay, we have the first appearance of Silk. So he did say there was a few key issues in there. That is awesome. Kind of hoarding away on those. Unnatural number 1. Amazing Spider-Man 299. So that's another kind of key issue. Not in the best shape, but still a key issue. Was that the second cameo of Venom? All right, let me clear these out. All right, we have Reaver number 1. Pretty cool cover. Spider-Man Deadpool number 1 hip-hop variant. Steve Rogers Captain America number 1 hip-hop variant. These usually have a bit of value. Unbelievable Gwenpool number 1 hip-hop variant. Red the Coming Wolf number 1 hip-hop variant. Inhuman number 1. Black Panther number 1. Amazing Spider-Man 799. Amazing Spider-Man number 16. That's another key issue. Oh, this is one I really wanted, so I'm actually really happy to get that. Captain Marvel number 31. It's marked very good. I wonder if he used another bag or he just bought it for $1. He might have used a bag for something else. This actually looks in good shape. Really happy to add that to my collection. Voltron number 1. I bet that's gained a bit of value. All right, those are cool. All right. And then one more stack. We have Tales of Suspense 76. Awesome Silver Age comic book. I'm not sure if these are valuable or not, but they're cool, like Godzilla fanzines. I'm not sure exactly what they're all about, but those are super neat. He had a bunch of those. Oh, more Why the Last Man stickers. That's amazing. Okay, G-Fan, number 115, 120. And I do like Godzilla, so these are cool. In the magazine, we have The Walking Dead, Samurai Showdown magazine, number 1. It looks like a New York Comic Con exclusive. Marvel Presents number 11. Cool early Star-Lord appearance. That is pretty awesome. Looks in pretty decent shape, too. And Heavy Metal Presents Savage Circus. So it's like kind of like a mini graphic novel. Has decent art inside. All right, that's super cool. And then the last thing he traded me was just a Lego set, which I will put into my shop. All right, very cool. Thanks for the trade, Sean. I will add all these up and let you know later today how much I owe you. Let's work together to grow this channel. Watch this video twice. Leave a comment in the comments below. Give it a like. Share it and do all that fun stuff so that this channel can grow to the size we need it to be. I appreciate you, and I'm going to put a couple other mega epic comic hauls right there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.